If you want to reset network settings on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, then first of all we need to go to the settings, then go to more connectivity options, and then over here you should be able to find reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and Bluetooth. You want to select this option. Here you will see that all these three things will be reset, and you can also choose the SIM card which will be reset as well. You can choose only one at a time, unfortunately, and this only appears if you have two SIM cards at the same time. So now we can press reset settings over here at the bottom. You will need to enter the screen lock password if you have screen lock enabled, and then confirm that you want to reset and press OK. After that, of course, everything that is related to these three things will be gone, so you will need to connect to your Wi-Fi again, turn on or off the mobile data, as well as connect or pair with every Bluetooth device that you have been connected to in the past. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!